So some of these things here are actually RGB lights and things like that. But for today, it's going to be keyboard. Why am I buying a new keyboard is because the one I have is not, how do you put it, not RGB enough, because I want it to be like bright. If you look at it, I mean the colors are okay, but I want something that is brighter and I feel that this is not bright enough. I mean if you want something simple but RGB at the same time, then maybe normal gaming keyboards are good for you. It's good enough, don't need to be crazy like me. I spent a very long time to find this new keyboard because I just want two criteria. Number one is that it has to be brighter than this one, and number two is that it has to look like a typewriter. And if you are born after 2000, what is a typewriter? It is a keyboard with nice ASMR sounds. So yeah, let's go unbox this thing. So let's open up everything, and inside you have the USB cable. The box is a little bit crumpled, which is bad, but the keyboard looks fine, so that's okay. And on the top right hand, there's this button, which I initially thought is a button to change the lighting stuff, but the typing, overall it feels like a typewriter, which is a good thing, which is what I want. And yeah, let's plug everything in. I think it's overall quite bright enough, and I'm quite happy with it. And yeah, let's show you some ASMR. At first it's kind of hard to get used to, but if you have used a typewriter before, you know that you need to press a little bit harder as compared to a usual keyboard. And yeah, then I realized that this button is actually for the volume, because as you know, I'm a tech noob, so this is a volume button, okay? Just remember that. And the good thing is that you can adjust the brightness. You can also change how the light appears or moves and disappears, animation, whatever you want to call it. And also I realized that you can change the speed, like if it's not exciting enough for you, you can increase the speed like that. So the lights can also move up if you don't want it to move down for some reason, I don't know. And it can also move separately, just like that. So it looks pretty good when you turn off all the lights. I guess it's pretty cool. And also, again, you can increase the speed or slow down the speed. And if you're sick of it, just turn it off and you can still use it and type. Okay? Yeah, and then I don't know what I'm trying to do here, but whatever. So this keyboard is very good if you want to piss off your roommate with the ASMR sounds, typing sounds. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with this keyboard. The only thing I don't like is that I cannot change the color of this keyboard because it's fixed like that. So if you want to be crazy like me, then get this keyboard that is hard to type. But if you want to live a simple life, then don't get it, okay? So in the next video, I'll show you my mouse. So talk to you soon. Bye.